Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Language and Region. Click Add Language to add your own language. Make sure basic typing enabled. Click Language Options. Make sure basic typing enabled, if not enabled download and install. Click Move Up to move first position under Preferred Language. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.